Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2024, and we're diving into Dow's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Dow's latest earnings report provides a comprehensive look at their performance amidst some challenging market conditions. Let's break it down.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Dow reported net sales of $10.9 billion for the third quarter of 2024, which is a 1% increase compared to the same period last year. John, how does this reflect on their profitability?
While the net sales saw a modest increase, the GAAP earnings per share came in at 30 cents, and the operating EPS was slightly lower at 47 cents compared to 48 last year. The net income was $240 million, indicating some pressure on profitability, primarily due to restructuring and efficiency costs.
What about the operating earnings?
Operating EBIT was $641 million, up $15 million year over year, driven by higher integrated margins in their packaging and specialty plastics segment. However, sequentially, it was down due to an unplanned cracker outage in Texas.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performances. How did the different segments fare this quarter?
The packaging and specialty plastics segment reported an operating EBIT of $618 million, a significant increase from last year thanks to higher integrated margins. However, the industrial intermediates and infrastructure segment faced challenges with an operating EBIT loss of $53 million due to higher maintenance costs and lower margins.
And what about the performance materials and coatings segment?
This segment saw a decrease in operating EBIT to $140 million, primarily due to higher raw material costs, although this was partly offset by increased volumes.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Cash flow is always a critical aspect. How did Dow perform in terms of cash flow and returns to shareholders?
Cash provided by operating activities was $800 million, which is down significantly from last year due to higher inventory levels. Despite this, Dow returned $584 million to shareholders, including $490 million in dividends and $94 million in share repurchases, demonstrating their commitment to shareholder returns.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Looking ahead, what strategic initiatives is Dow focusing on?
Dow is conducting a strategic review of select European assets, particularly in their polyurethanes business, to optimize their global footprint. CEO Jim Fitterling emphasized their focus on capturing demand growth in key markets and investing in higher-value businesses, aiming for over $3 billion in underlying earnings by 2030.
How does the leadership view the future?
Fitterling highlighted the company's strong competitive edge in the Americas and their disciplined approach to capitalizing on demand strengths, despite ongoing challenges in Europe and China.
Key takeaways. In summary, Dow's third quarter results reflect a mixed performance with some bright spots in segment profitability and strategic initiatives. Their focus on optimizing their asset footprint and long-term investments positions them well for future growth. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure discussing Dow's performance. They have a solid strategy in place, and it will be interesting to see how they navigate the current challenges.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Dow's performance in the comments below.